Hi, my name is Cassidy and I'm a barista here at Konditorei, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make our Bloody Mary for two. First of all, I'm going to take 4 ounces of some local Idaho vodka. So we'll measure that out. Next, we take our house-made spicy mix. And now to top these off, I'm going to take a skewer of pickle, pepper, cheese, and olive. And next we have our skewer with bacon and grilled cheese. That goes on the other side. Stick some shrimp on there. And we'll take some celery, add some decoration. And then lastly, I will add a lemon and a slice of lime. And it is our ultimate Bloody Mary for two.